Hey, what's up everyone? I'm still here at the 66 Suds car wash, just walking through one of the self-surveys. It's Magical car wash equipment and self-survey. Setup, neat setup. Just doing a walkthrough. Now I'm going to start making my way over because I'm going to start checking out some other car washes and then start making our way back. Yeah, I already did the wash video, my first part, and so anyway, here's they looks like they decorated the wash menu of this one with red, orange, green, and yellow leaves and a red, white, and blue ribbon, and the cash pay station also. So once again, the washes are still the same, which is as usual. It's $10 for the ultimate. Just comes with undercarriage blast, extra strength pre-soak, soap or whatever. So non-feeling soap. Or heated soap, or whatever you want to call it. Then there's the high pressure rinse, and then there's the clear coat protection, which is the wax, the triple foam polish, which is like the colors. It will make it like when you get your teeth polished and everything. Then there's the high pressure rinse, the rinse off. It's like after window polish, after your dentist like rinses off your teeth and stuff after the polish. Then there's the spot free rinse, and they also give you one more rinse pass, and then there's the dryer. And then of course we got the premium wash that comes with undercarriage. $9. It comes with undercarriage blast, extra strength pre-soak, high pressure rinse, clear coat protection, spot free rinse, and dryer. And then the $8 basic comes with extra strength soap, high pressure rinse, clear coat protection, spot free rinse. And the $5 wash and rinse, this comes with extra strength soap and high pressure rinse. And as always, we got our pay station. We also have their hours from opens at 6 a.m. and it closes at 11 p.m. And then, of course, our ZP clear coat protection. So the owner loves this machine so much. This place we enter now sign is really nice. I seen like Connoisseur, Magical, and some others like have them, but the one in Connoisseur has been shut down, and I think the one in Golden Moss still shut down. Because I was gonna go check it one time, but nah, I didn't want to make the same video. This one was more important to me since I was glad I found it. Wasn't sure if the dreams come true. Of course, we have our airlift doors that keeps the machine warm, which is the exit. So it's open 24 hours once the door opens. Door opens when after payment is and the wash is selected is completed. I mean, yeah. So then of course we have our yellow rails. We just the guard the car and neutral car and park. The middle part is where the water for the undercarriage, like the drain, and then that part was when the water can go down instead like on the street or anything. And then the machine, and then of course the Magical. Here's our Magical Nexus machine, and it has this machine like some machine. It's like Ryco's, Laser Wash G5s, Red Wash does different. Billinger Savers does that too, and I believed, what's the machine called? Not Future, I mean, not Water Wizard, not Laser Wash. I mean, one machine I found was, I'm trying to think of the machine it has. I think it has one. I think I remember. Not Oasis. What is it? I'm trying to think of the machine. I think I remember seeing one of these when I found it. Oh, I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's actually the Instabelt, and then plus the Power Rain. I think Power Rain does have one of these, I think, but I'm not sure. But Power Rain's discontinuing, which I found that one in Fairmont, West Virginia. And we, of course, we have our wash. We have our, looks like you got cars gonna go through automatic wash. So yeah, high pressure rinse and everything. All right, well, I better get this lady off film. This car is gonna go through. So yeah, I saw this car wants to go through. So anyway, I'm just gonna show you my dog Gigs really quick. Hey Giggies, put this one down. Put this one down. Hey Giggies. Of course, Giggies is not afraid of the car wash. Okay, he likes touch-free washes, not brush washes, though. Yeah, it's not. Yeah. Luckily, the credit card worked for our car. Giggies, come here, boy. Come here, Gigs. Alright. He's just looking at my camera while waiting for it. Because now after I'm done, I'm gonna get one more picture of myself with the Nexus, and then just looks like she's getting the premium, not like the Ultimate. Alright, she's going to wash. She didn't get the Ultimate. She just got the premium, though. Not every car wants the Ultimate. Sometimes premium, sometimes deluxe, and sometimes basic or wet or quick wash. Yeah. Luckily, the credit card worked because I would have called the number. And you can see the car is in parking there. So now they're getting the only things they're getting is they already got the undercarriage, so they're just getting the extra strength soak, the high pressure rinse, and then the clear cover protecting spot rinse, and then the dryer. Unless you change it to the Ultimate, but I don't know if the Ultimate does triple foam. Us out the color does triple foam, but I think she's got the premium wash. Just the premium. And there's the machine. There's no leaks or anything, it's just the soap. It's just Now, alright, there goes the high pressure rinse. Now, I think it's going to be through the clear coat for tucking in, and then the spot for rinse and dryer, because I heard it said $9 wash. So, by the way, it's not COVID, it's the cough, it's just allergies. Unless it does triple foam, but I don't think. I'm not sure. Unless you change it to triple foam, I always said triple foam. Gotta love it. Hey, people here will clean their cars and trying for concert. Alright, this is their clear cover chunking. Alright, there's the machine. Let's see what's on. Oh yeah, it's the spot free rinse. So it's the premium. This machine's not dirty, it's clean. So when that car's done, the lady exits the wash, throwing the dryer. I'm gonna get one more photo of myself with the machine, and then I'm gonna go check on some other ones, and then I'm gonna check up on a few machines also. I might film, I don't think, cause yeah, so far, but I can't explain it. So dryer's gonna come on in a second. Smells good. It smells like bubblegum, mint, and strawberry. Of course, we got 66 Suds, blue and red, yellow, or not yellow, I mean, sun. All right, so the wash is done. So, No cars coming. Yeah. Yeah, she's gone. All right. Well, yeah. So this horse car wash, Magical Nexus, my favorite system. Touch free. It's hard to say I like it so much. I like it so much because it just does a good job. And of course, I wasn't sure if it was going to come true, but when I came down here first time, I saw this car wash from that direction. I saw it, and then I turned around and I checked, and oh my God, it was Magical Nexus, and they even found one more. So this is awesome. All right, now, well, that being said, just the Magical Nexus at the 66 Suds car wash and Greensburg, PA. Now, for the fun part, if you guys want to know what's going on, ta-da! I got my teeth cleaned for the first time. Like, I just don't have that dream anymore. Says, hello, honey, we're looking for everything where you can't take much, or that, some little bit, I need to say, hey. And then Heather McVay said, hey, hi, Brendan, I'm Heather McVay. So, so how it was, I mean, my hygienist was supposed to be there, but she went back to school, and Denise, my assistant, was supposed to be there, but she quit. She went back to help her grandparents. So Marianne wasn't there, but instead, Heather McVay, Robin said, hey, Brendan, are you Brendan? And I said, yes. And then what happened was, she said, you okay? And I said, yeah, I'm just allergies. And then, okay, understandable. Then about 2 or 3 minute rest after that happened, Heather McVay comes in and says, hey, Brendan, hey, Brendan, hey, Brendan, hey, Brendan, hey, Brendan. And it's like, hey, Brendan, hey, Brendan, hey, Brendan. And I said, oh, hey, Heather. Oh, hey, Heather. And I was like, hey, Heather. Oh, hey, Heather. And I said, hey, Dentistry. I said, I'm good. And I said, I'm good. And I said, good. How you feel about CB as your new dental? And I said, really feels good. I'm really glad. Thank you. I said, I appreciate you doing this. And then she said, no problem. No problem. You can do it. So that was the fun part. So, compare results. My teeth are nice and clean for the first time since checkup with Dr. Heather McVay Dental in Washington. Now, she told me I can't record there on Bundy's Republic unless it's I get permission for my checkups. But no cavities, but she did tell me, okay, here's what I want you to do. I want you to just keep working on these gums. Okay, I want to get them next time I see you. I want them to be gone. So I said, no problem. So yeah, that's Heather McVay. So that dream I don't have anymore. So I just have the one. She told me to have the one. So yeah, that's just an update on Magical Nexus and Heather McVay. All right. Well, that being said, as always, thank you for watching this video, and I will be back sometime soon. I mean, maybe next week or so. We'll see where I'm at. All right. That being said, thanks for watching. See ya.